As you can tell, my sister kind of needs a date for the dance. So, we're going to show you some of the interests she likes. So, what kind of guys are you looking for?
I like all kinds of men, really. Just anyone that's nice and doesn't mind McDonald's and Burger King and Taco Bell all on the same night.
Okay, Ashley. What else? What about their looks?
Really, I like good-looking men, just model type, just nothing below a 9, really. I set my standards really, really high. Just you have to these days, really. I mean, what else?
Okay, what's your hobbies?
Oh, my hobbies? I like to shop. I like to take pictures. I'm actually a model on the side, and I like to practice my, what do you call them? My runway walks, my smile, see? I work out a lot. I have to stay fit in order to fit in all the clothes and stuff, that are fashionable these days. But, yeah.
What do you rate yourself as good looking?
On a scale of what?
1 to 10.
10. 10 plus. I mean, I'm a catch. Call me a baseball, I'm a catch. Really.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
You don't believe me?
No.
My sister, she thinks she's a 10. Come on. But anyways, yes. Dates, just line up, men, because I'll be waiting. Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.